Musumbe Dr. William Ruto niwakathiia ndambuka yake ngomeni ya Raila Odinga kuya Nyanza ayasya niyailile muno nundu oyu ala matanai ngaliko yake oyu ni anyanyae make Kavindani Ruto niweevita kwika kila kindu onthe kitonyeka Kuete Uumwe wa Kenya ayasya nukuthukuma na atongoi onthe asakue nundu kiu nikyo kiwetetwe nthini wa miao ya nthi dan nukutwelesya
chathini cha uthaithi kila chatwaiwa kanisani wa ACK Bungoma. Wa Musumbe Dr. William Ruto niwaeleshekana ndambuka yake ya kuya Nyanza ni wonani wa wendo na ngwatanio ila yende na ukusi wa vanthi ya Kenya.
That conversation about issues, development in our country is a very, very positive conversation. It is the conversation that I always wanted Kenya to have. Not a conversation about our ethnicities or our differences in religion or other sectarian interest. I am very proud that we are having as a country the right conversation. Conversation about the development of our country. Conversation about the issues that inform the progress, transformation, and prosperity of our nation, and in that way collective responsibility of our country.
Oingi ni wakulia atongoi onthe ala asakue vanthi ya Kenya mombe ute ivathukanio cia ukavila malembeta siama na kuetekana kwa oyu ta Musumbe niwende na ukwatinya atongoi onthe na kuendea na uvuia uumwe kati wa nthi.
And I want to encourage and promise us as Kenyans that those who want to divide us will fail, and they will fail miserably. Those who want to preach to us sectarian, ethnic, parochial, regional politics will not succeed in this country, because this country is a country that trusts in God, and all of us are children of the same God. And so every leader, those of us who have the privilege to be leaders in Kenya, at whatever level, we must understand, we must appreciate that we are leaders for the people of Kenya.
Wengi ni wathingila kana endea na uthukuma nthi ya Kenya isio cionthe wate kuisa miungamo yo ya siama ukavila na wetakana kiendelo chake kinene ni kwikithikana ni kwethiwa na wiananu wa maendeleo.
So promise that I will work for all the people of Kenya without discrimination, without exclusion, because that is what is demanded of government by the Constitution, and I am perfectly aware that it is also the will of God to work with everybody, to work for the people of Kenya in their entirety, in their unity. And I want to promise Kenyans that I will go out of my way. I will do whatever it takes to make sure that this country is united and that no part of Kenya is left behind as we march into the future as a people. It is our collective responsibility as leaders to walk in that manner.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutongwe TV, kuma kauntini ya Masako.